Look, I have a manzana. Want a bite?
No thanks, I'd rather have a chicken leg.
Welcome to episode 5 of the Spanish for Beginners series. In this week's video, we've got 10 more words with funny skits from my dog. Hope you enjoy this video. The first word is manzana. 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 That means apple. Look, I have a manzana. Want a bite?
No thanks, I'd rather have a chicken leg.
The second word is pelo. 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 And pelo is hair. Your pillow is so soft today.
That's because I'm molting.
At number 3, we've got escaleras. Escaleras. Escaleras means stairs. Time to go up the escaleras.
Alright, I'll follow you then.
Next, we've got trabajo. Trabajo, trabajo means work. I have to go do some trabajo now.
Okay, I work too, you know. I'm a professional Bart machine and a sleeper.
Then we've got tiempo. 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 Tiempo means time. Do you have tiempo to play?
I've always got time to play with you. But only till dinner time.
For word 6, we've got nunca. 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 And that means never. I never skip my workouts.
I never skip my snacks. We all have our talents.
For word 7, we've got siempre. Siempre. Siempre means always. I'm siempre here for you.
I'm siempre here on your bed.
The 8th word is feliz. 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 And that means happy. You look so feliz today.
I'm only feliz when you drop some food.
The 9th word is océano. Océano. Océano means ocean. Do you want to go to the océano today?
Only if there's no water involved. I'm more of a sit and watch kind of dog.
At number 10, we've got hasta luego. Hasta luego. Hasta luego means see you later. Hasta luego.
Oi, don't forget my treats when you come back.